everyone. My name is Sapna Chandrakant Shinde. Today, my topic name is Heritage, Pride and Purpose. In India, Heritage Day was celebrated at 24th September. Heritage is the full range of our inherited tradition, monuments, objects and culture. Most important, it is the range of our contemporary activities, meaning behavior that gain from them. It's much more than preservation, exaggeration, displaying or restoring a collection of old things. Our heritage provides us clue to our past and how our society has evolved. It helps to examine our past history and tradition. It enables us to develop general awareness about ourselves. It helps us to understand and explain why we are the way we are. Heritage is the keystone of our culture and it plays important role in society, politics, business and world review. National heritage enhances our pride first by promoting a sense of national identity. Secondly, it brings people from different castes, races, religions and culture and ethnicity together under a share. National heritage help to people understanding their own culture and past. Heritage is the reflection of our rich and glorified history. It shows that how much we have achieved as a nation. It tells the world that India was once an advanced nation and it encourages us to develop. It encourages us believe that there is no reason that India cannot become once again advanced nation. And preservation and restoration of heritage sites and as well as creating infrastructure can attract tourists to visit our heritage sites. Keep this tradition alive and create new job can impact our national income, national economic. We have to conserve and protect our heritage site. Conservation of heritage buildings, it is more important because it is a sense of identity and conductivity for our future generation. Heritage buildings represent our national past, history and tradition and culture. We have to protect them for our future generation. We have to protect our heritage sites by conducting plantation program, awareness program, cleanliness program and strict rules and regulation can help to protect heritage sites. Thank you.